everyone. Welcome back to RTS and welcome back to our 15-minute mixer. Yes, that's what we're going to do. So before I start running at the mouth, you know me. Okay, so I need to start the timer and let's get cracking on a project. Whatever it is, whatever room you are in, 15 minutes. Let's go, ladies. We can do this. We can do something for 15 minutes. Okay, here we go. So now what I'm going to do is that I have an overflow of journaling cards and I need to figure out and make a decision because this has been floating around for months. I need to make a decision. What am I doing with this? So will I get this done in 15 minutes? No. So I'm not even going to rush it. Maybe this mixer version will be a couple. It doesn't matter. I just need to address it. And that is the point of the 15-minute mixer, is just to address something. So for me, what I need to do is I need to start putting these in piles according to how I want to scrap them, and some will be by collection and some will be by theme, because that is Simple Stories, that family, beautiful family, line. And so where did all of these come from, you may ask? Well, there's a few that I had bought last year, the year before, in some sales, $1.80 for a pack of 48 cards. Yes, I'll do that. And then I also, the lovely Rebecca Keppel here on YouTube, and I'll have her channel linked below, is that I won a giveaway and she sent me stacks and stacks and stacks of pocket page cards, all different companies and themes. And so I need to sit down and figure out what I'm doing with them. Are they going by color, collection, manufacturer, or what am I going to do? I just don't know what I'm going to do because I haven't addressed it. And right here is a Christmas stack. Well, yes, maybe I could use that. Oh, yeah, I don't even need to get started. So what I'm saying is I just need to address these. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to probably put some, I'm going to grab a stack of these, probably by color, and I'm going to put some on my desk for the next few months whenever I need a little bit of something. Okay, and so if you are working on holiday pages, you could absolutely grab a stack of your Christmas 4x6 cards, regardless if they're 4x6, 3x4, whatever, 4x4, and just put them in here. Or you could take some scraps, and if it's the color scheme of the red, black, green, turquoise, pink, whatever you use for the holidays, and you could absolutely just put them in a little bin and give yourself something a little fun to play with. And so that's what I'm going to do with some of mine. I just need to figure out which ones it's going to be. Okay, so what have you been doing in your 15-minute mixers? Have you been doing something scrapbook related? I just have so many. And I'm not even going to sit here and rush this because I have no idea. Rebecca sent me a stack. And then she also, look at this beautiful card she made me. Yes, it's just a piece of pattern paper with the heart cut out, and then she made a shaker card. I mean, is that not beautiful? And then this gold foil that says thanks, and then white embossing, your kindness is appreciated. Rebecca, you did a beautiful job with that card. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yes. So we'll have her video, her YouTube channel linked below. Beautiful stuff she does. Yes. And I think I'm going to need a drink. My throat feels dry. I've been moving Christmas decorations here and there. I'm sorry, hold on a minute. That was probably 2 minutes just of coughing. Oh, well. Like I said, I know I'm not going to get this done in 15 minutes, but that's not the object. The object for me is to get started. And so this is what I've been doing as I've been doing some holiday decorating and cooking and baking and wrapping and all that good stuff, is that I say, just go do something for 15 minutes. And then I'll set the timer, or I'll put on someone's video and I'll say, see how much you can get done by the time Tina's talking, when Tina's done talking. Or Nicole, when she's done with the Page Kids. That's what I do, okay? Now I need to see how things get dusty. Look at all the dust in that box. So that can't go too far, but what I need to do is just figure out, and I will simply put these in piles. Now, see, why do I have this? I think I was thinking that this look reminded me of the beach. But yeah, some of this distressing is not, it's too dark for me. But I'm sure I can play with it somehow. Okay. And that was from Paper Studio. They call theirs pocket cards. Yeah, everybody's got a different name. Yeah, this came out in 2014. So yeah, I just have some I need to address. Okay. There, I think I found these in my travels. I mean, this is beautiful. And I didn't buy it just for the theme. I bought it for the colors. Maybe I'll do a start to finish soon using a journaling cards. Maybe that's what I need to do. And then these are pocket page. And then what I'll do is, since they're already in a nice little container, is that I will take and I will cut off this header right above that seam. And see, they're still not going to fall out because I cut it right at that seam. And then that's just how I'll organize them. Yes. Absolutely. Like when they come in these little bags. Of course, then you're not looking through them and addressing them. Oh, well, this one's already open. Why not? Sure. Oh, they got some gold foil. Wow. No wonder I picked them up. Because even if I... No, what are these? These are wedding? Do they have a name on these? They don't have a name. But they're wedding. You could tell bride, groom, things like that. Well, I don't have a use for all of that. But I can tell you what, I have a use for this foil. Yes, you can get your punches out. Just married. And you can absolutely use your use that foil. That's a nice... Look at all that. For $1.80 for foil? Yes. I don't need all the bride and groom and the huggy, kissy, lovey-dovey type thing. But I'll use that for foil. I was like, why did I buy 2 of them? Well, there must have been why. Yes. So whenever you see things that are on clearance like that, don't just think of it as the theme. Think of it as a supply. I can get a lot of uses out of this $1.80 for all that foil. Yes, that's probably too much talk. Oh, yes. Love. A temporary insanity curable by marriage. Or it could be the other way around. A temporary marriage curable by insanity. Yeah, that could go 2 ways, my folks. Okay, so now let's move on and see. I have some of these. These are 4x4, so I think that's probably what I need to do. I need to just put these in order by size and then figure out what I'm going to do with them. Yes, because I'm just, you know, I'm just moving things around because I just don't want to address that, but I have to. Okay, 4x6. Let's do it by size, and then I can address the rest later. We can do that. Okay. See? I told you Rebecca hooked me up. I mean, look at this stack, and I'm still going. Let's just put this stack on top of a stack and see if we can reach the camera. Look at this. Okay, now I have another stack here. And we're going to measure this stack. Why? Because we can. I'm going to measure this stack of cards here. Now I think those are all 3x4. Oh, here's some 4x6. Oh, here, wait, we got some more. And I had just did a video about organizing this type of product. And I am not yet in that mindset that I want to purge them just yet, because I've been inspired by Laura Whitaker the last year or so. And so, okay, this is just 3x4. And let's see how big that stack really is. It is, well, let me see here. I can't. It is almost 7.5 inches tall. Yes, that is. Yes, but I love organizing stuff like this. I'll sit here. Like I said, I know this will take longer than 15 minutes. Okay. But maybe at the next mixer I will show my update on that. Okay. So I have them by size. Here's some 4x4s. And I will sit down. There's another one. Well, there's some die cut ones. Oh, isn't that a nice one? By DC. Now, I know those are from Paper House. I did find them on a travel. See, there's some acetate. Now, I need to keep all those together. Those are all travel. Oh, fun. See? Yes. Oh, now I'm getting... Oh, look at that. Paper House has really popped into the scene. They used to be a company from years ago by, and I don't know if they got a new creative director or they got whatever they got going on over there. But man, look at this. They've been popping onto the scene with some awesome product. Yes, you go Paper House. You just keep inspiring and giving us great product. Yes. Oh, look at that. Look at these acetates. And this is all from Paper House. Yes, and I know I found them at a Tuesday morning. This was a year or so ago. But I haven't done anything with these. Look at those. Nice, nice. Okay. So, okay. What was I doing? I got sidetracked. Oh, I'm bad for that. Okay. So, what can we talk about in our 15-minute mixer? Well, we talked about Christmas movies. We talked about Christmas cookies. We talked about our lofty goals we want to plan for 2019. Yes, I'm not making a lot because I'm not making a lot of goals because I want to do a lot. So I'm not going to get hung up on the actual goals. I just want to do a lot. You know, stay busy. Okay. And so I think what I'll do with these is that I will absolutely start putting these by collection. Why not? Go with the 4x6 first. Yes. These are all school related. Simple stories. Yes. And so, what time are we? I'm just talking. Oh, we got 4 minutes left. I talked for 2/3 of that and didn't even know. Yes. Okay. And so I hope you're getting some things done. And then I'm hoping to get some holiday decorating all done, get some baking done, and then simply take a few days to sit by the tree and just chill a little bit. Focus on the reason for the season. And yes, focus on that for a little bit. That's what I need to do. I need to do that. I just feel the need to do that. And so let's talk about some books. Have you been reading any good books lately? Or have you enjoyed some good books this year? Okay, please list below. I'm always looking for books. I don't get a lot read as much as I used to because I spend more time scrapbooking. But that's okay. But there are some times, I don't know, I think when I read, then that helps me, it inspires me to scrapbook more. I guess because it's the story aspect. I'm sure that's what it is. And I will show you the book I will be reading for December. I actually should have pulled that, but Sharon recommended that. And so I'm definitely going to be going. Oh, those are a different type of 4x6 card. I'll definitely, that's what I'm going to be focusing on the month of December. And I also, too, I have 2 or 3 books going on right now that I haven't finished in 2013. Just haven't finished. See, now these are just a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and where do you put it? And I don't know, and I get stuck, and I'm just like, ugh. And this is why I haven't done it. But I need to. Okay, this is all that family line from Simple Stories. So let's just get cracking. Let's just keep on going. Okay, let's see how much we can get done. Beat the clock, beat the clock. Yes. And I don't know, sometimes when, you know, I have routines that I do around the home as far as cleaning, I will absolutely set the clock and see if I can get it done within 15 minutes. That's exactly what I do. Yes. Can I get my, you know, the straightening up? If I can get that done in 15 minutes. Doesn't always work that way, but it gets me started. Yes. Or sometimes I will put on a high energy song and I will see if I can get my cleaning routine done within that length of song. And of course, I will just tell you right now, a high energy song for me would be Guns N' Roses. Yes, I am a Guns N' Roses girl. Yes, if I need a high energy song. Yes. And of course, my brother and I share a love for the song A Sweet Child of Mine. Man, is that high energy. Yes. Just the beginning beat of that song gets me off my duff and gets me going. Well, that is fancy pants. Boy, they had nice. But anyway, speaking of that, I will have a video linked below that I was organizing these, how I have them organized, and how I tackled this this category. But this is just overflow, and so I need to tackle the overflow. Okay, really, honestly, I could donate and give away all of this, but I don't want to because, you know, I'm on a spending freeze. And Rebecca had gifted this to me, and I'm going to enjoy playing with them. Yeah, but do I need them? No. But I'm not getting rid of them. No, no, no. There are times you should purge, and there's times you shouldn't purge. And I say that's a personal thing. You let that, you be the guide of that. Don't let anybody pressure you into purging and not purging. No, I have no problem. I can purge as quick as anything, and I can hold on to something as quick as anything. All depends on my mood. Now, I will tell you, when I was going through my Christmas decor this time, I've been purging. So it's like 2 jobs in one. I think that's why it's taking me longer to get it done, is because I'm simply going through everything and purging and organizing and decorating at the same time. And that is 3 different things, isn't it? You can organizing's one thing, decorating's another, and then purging, that's 3 jobs in one. So I think that's why it's taking me longer. Well, that's what I'm telling myself anyways. Okay, so now what am I going to do with these? Okay, well, these are wedding and marriage, and I think I will just absolutely... There's our 15-minute mixer! Did I get some stuff done? I got some stuff done. I got started, and so that's all I needed. Okay, and so maybe in the next 15-minute mixer, I will pop in, and I will show you the progress I made, and I will show you which ones I have actually pulled and put in a little basket to put on, put a focus on that for a little bit on my desk. Okay, so I hope you got something done in this 15-minute mixer. Yes, and please list below what books you have enjoyed this year, or the ones you're looking forward to reading. Yes, and I will absolutely show you the book that Sharon recommended that I'm going to be focusing on the month of December. Okay, so that's all I have for today. Come back to RTS, and the next 15-minute mixer, I don't know when it'll pop up, I don't know when it'll be, but I know we're going to have fun. Yes, that's all I have for today. Come back, because you never know at RTS what we're going to do. Bye!